Adrien Brody wasn't born into Hollywood royalty. He didn't have famous parents, a privileged upbringing, or a fast track to stardom. Instead, he grew up in Queens, New York, raised by a photographer mother and a history professor father. In the gritty urban maze of his youth, every day was a lesson in resilience. He wasn't the biggest kid, the strongest, or the loudest, but he carried a burning hunger to prove himself, even when every setback seemed insurmountable. From a young age, Brody was different. While other kids were caught up in sports or video games, he was drawn to art, performance, and storytelling. His world was painted in bold strokes of dreams and determination. By his teenage years, the odds were stacked against him. Every audition was a battle, every rejection a bitter reminder that success in the arts was a hard-fought war. Yet each obstacle only fueled his relentless drive, transforming every disappointment into a stepping stone toward his destiny. Then came the moment that would define his journey, a climax that shook the very foundations of his struggle. At 29, when many had written him off, Adrien Brody stunned the world. In 2003, amid relentless pressure and fierce competition, he shattered expectations by becoming the youngest actor in history to win the Academy Award for Best Actor for his haunting, transformative performance in The Pianist. This wasn't just a trophy. It was a triumphant explosion of years of sacrifice and perseverance. For a brief, electrifying moment, the weight of his entire journey culminated in that dazzling Oscar moment, a turning point that resonated with anyone who had ever dared to dream. If you're as passionate about these incredible motorcycle tales as we are, consider hitting that subscribe button now. It's a simple way to support the channel and fuels our journey to uncover more intriguing stories for you. While many Oscar winners are content with the comfort of blockbuster franchises or the allure of superhero epics, Brody's choice speaks volumes about his character. On a motorcycle, he finds a freedom that no red carpet or spotlight can offer. Each ride is a cathartic journey, a moment to feel the raw, unfiltered rush of life without the distractions of fame. Brody's love for motorcycles runs deeper than mere aesthetics. It began in his youth, when the power, speed, and sheer presence of a bike ignited a spark of wonder in him. He once said in an interview, "Riding isn't just about speed. It's about feeling connected to the road, the air, and the machine itself." That connection provided him solace from the chaos of Hollywood. In the cockpit of his motorcycle, amidst the roar of the engine and the whisper of the wind, he rediscovered himself. The duality of his existence, public success versus private authenticity, creates a narrative full of tension. On one hand, the glimmer of Hollywood accolades, on the other, the honest, unpretentious thrill of the open road. This inner conflict isn't just dramatic, it's deeply relatable. Many of us struggle with finding balance between external validation and personal fulfillment. And through Brody's journey, we are invited to reflect on our own quests for meaning. So what treasures lie in Adrien Brody's garage? His collection is a testament to performance, craftsmanship, and personal expression. Let's dive into some of the most jaw-dropping machines that define his passion. The Ducati Monster S4R, the Italian beast. With its 996cc Testastretta L-twin engine and aggressive styling, the Ducati Monster S4R is not a casual ride. It's a machine built for adrenaline-fueled adventures. Every twist of its throttle is a surge of raw power, designed to carve through tight corners and devour the pavement. Brody has been seen tearing through the streets of New York and the Hollywood Hills on this beast, proving that he's not merely a collector. He lives the ride, embracing the thrill with every journey. The Indian Scout, the timeless cruiser. When the pace slows and the soul yearns for calm, Brody turns to his Indian Scout. This bike is a masterclass in timeless design, a perfect blend of history and modern engineering. With a robust 1,133cc V-twin engine and a sleek, low-slung frame, the Indian Scout offers effortless cruising. Here, the focus isn't on speed, but on savoring the journey. It's a moment of reflective calm where the road stretches ahead, unburdened by haste or distraction. The Honda Hero. In Wes Anderson's movie, The Darjeeling Limited, Adrien Brody takes a detour from Hollywood glam to experience the vibrant spirit of India in a modest yet iconic Honda Hero. Riding this bike wasn't just about getting from point A to point B. It was about embracing the local culture and, humorously enough, sharing the ride with his co-stars Owen Wilson and Jason Schwartzman. This bike stands as a reminder that sometimes the most unassuming rides lead to the deepest adventures. It's not about luxury or flash. It's about the personal connection to the journey and the memories forged along the way. For Adrien Brody, riding isn't just transportation. It's a meditative escape. In an industry filled with constant noise, pressure, and expectations, motorcycles offer him something rare: silence and freedom. It's the purest kind of freedom, he reflects. You're exposed, vulnerable, yet in complete control. A perfect balance, just like life. On his bike, there are no cameras, no scripts, and no fabricated personas. There's only the rhythm of the engine, the caress of the wind, and an endless road that promises both adventure and introspection. Many celebrities acquire motorcycles as status symbols, but Brody's approach is different. He doesn't let his collection gather dust in a showroom. Instead, he rides, refines, and cherishes each machine as if it were a vital part of his journey. His relationship with these bikes goes beyond mere ownership. It's about the experience, the craftsmanship, and the deep respect for a culture that values authenticity over appearance. Every twist and turn in his narrative, whether on the cinematic stage or along the winding roads, reveals that Adrien Brody is a master at transforming struggle into triumph. His life is an ongoing dialogue between external accolades and the quest for inner peace, a dynamic that mirrors the challenges we all face in finding true fulfillment. The climax of his story, marked by his groundbreaking Oscar win, is not the final word, but a catalyst for further exploration. It encapsulates years of relentless effort and the sweet taste of victory. Yet the true resolution lies in his continuous pursuit of authenticity, finding solace on the open road when Hollywood's dazzle begins to fade. Now I leave you with a question. Does Adrien Brody's fearless embrace of both cinematic triumph and the raw thrill of motorcycle riding make him a true biker? Or is there more to his story waiting to be discovered? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Every motorcycle has its own story, and here we're dedicated to uncovering the tales behind these incredible machines. If you love the thrill of the ride, the freedom of the open road, and the passion that fuels every journey, hit that subscribe button. Your support not only keeps these stories alive, but also ensures that we continue to explore the heart and soul of motorcycle culture. Now, let's throttle up and ride into our next adventure together.